Today I'm going to show you the simplest, most reliable way to bake salmon in the oven. No fancy tricks, no complicated sauces. Just juicy, flavorful salmon every single time. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. If you like your salmon a little crisp on top, you can go up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, but 400 is perfect for most ovens. Pat your salmon dry with a paper towel. This helps it roast instead of steam. Brush both sides lightly with olive oil or melted butter. Now season with salt, black pepper, and anything you like. Garlic, paprika, or dried herbs all work beautifully. And if you love brightness, add thin lemon slices right on top. Line a baking tray with parchment paper, or lightly oil it. This keeps the salmon from sticking and makes cleanup easy. If your salmon has skin, always place it skin side down. Bake the salmon for 10 to 14 minutes, depending on thickness. The salmon is done when it flakes easily with a fork and looks opaque, but still moist. For a lightly golden top, switch to broil for just 1 to 2 minutes. Keep a close eye, it happens fast. This is exactly what you want: tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon and serve with roasted vegetables, rice, or a simple salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple, reliable home cooking. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer lemon herb, honey garlic, or spicy salmon?